Hello friends, good morning. My name is Yashvi Gujara. Today I would like to talk about social media, so please listen to me carefully. Social media is a tool that is becoming quite popular these days because of its user friendly. Social media platform for like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and more are giving the people a chance to connect with each other across distance. In other words, the world are at our fingertips all thanks to social media, but it does not have a advantage, it has a disadvantage also. When we look at the positive aspect to social media, we find members the social media, you are easily communicate with friend and relatives. Thank you so much for listening to me carefully.